Hello viewers, today we will show how to blend two photos in Photoshop. First, open the file and duplicate the background layer. Drag and drop the lion photo on the background document layer. Adjust the size, angle and position by clicking Ctrl+T. Then click the checkmark. Add a layer mask. Select the brush tool. Brush size is 500 pixel. Hardness is 0. Foreground color is black. Make sure the mask layer is selected, not the main layer. Brush around the head. Brush black to erase. Brush white to bring it back. Add a hue saturation layer. Click the down arrow box icon. Apply settings to the layer below only. Match the color of the lion with the watercolor. Hue is 196, saturation is 70, brightness is 0. Add a brightness contrast layer. Match the brightness with -10 and contrast is -20. Add again hue and saturation layer. Hue 2, saturation 35, brightness is 0. Then again add brightness and contrast layer. Brightness is 0, contrast 50. Add a gradient layer. Click on the gradient. Select foreground to the background. Double click this tab to change color. The color is 001025. I prefer. Change right tab to BDEFFF color code. Also I prefer it. Angle is 0. Change the blending mode to soft light. Opacity is 60%. Select the top layer, hold the Shift key, then select the background copy layer. Then click the group folder icon or click Ctrl+G. Duplicate the group on folder, right click on the group on folder, then select merge group. Select the DOS tool. Size is 200, hardness is 0, exposure is 10%. Brush on the right side of the head to brighten it. Select the DOS tool again. Size is 400, hardness is 0, exposure is 30%. Brush on the left side of the head to brighten it. Change the layer opacity to 80%. Add a gradient layer. Click on the gradient. Select foreground color to transparent. Set both button tabs to white. Angle is 180. Change the blending mode to soft light. Opacity to 25%. It finished. Thanks for watching. To get new tutorial, subscribe now.